Hello everyone. This is P. Induja, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. So in this session, we are going to discuss about hydropower plant and the working principle of hydropower plant. Yeah, so in this session, we are going to discuss about some of the content. So there is seven contents are there. So one is introduction, and we are going to see the hydropower plant in India and essential elements of hydropower plants and the working principle of hydropower plant and the diametrical working principles of hydropower plant and advantages and disadvantages of hydropower plant. Yes. Coming to the introduction part, so what is hydropower plant and what is the use of hydropower plant we can discuss. And in hydropower plant, the water is utilized to move the turbines, which is in turn run the electric generators. So when the water moves towards the turbine and turbine start rotates and it helps to generate electricity in the generator. So the potential energy of water stored in the dam gets converted into the kinetic energy of the moving water in the penstock. And in kinetic energy can get converted into the electrical energy with the help of turbine and generator. So TG is nothing but turbine and generator. So both combinations are given here. And hydropower plant was invented by H.F. Roger. So he is an inventor. And hydropower plant fulfills 30% of the total energy needs of the world. And hydropower plant overall the world which consists of 5000 gigawatt. So this is the introduction part. In India, hydropower plant was constructed first in Mysore at the year of 1902, which is named as Sivaramudram, having the capacity of 4.5 megawatt. And second one is the hydropower plant was constructed in Maharashtra in the year of 1914, which is named as Kopulu, having the capacity of 50 megawatt. And in India, the hydro potential of India in 1947 is 500 megawatt. So this is the hydropower plant in India. So the essential elements of hydropower plant is two things. One is primary elements and another one is safety devices. So primary elements like catchments area, reservoir, dam, prime movers, draft tubers, and powerhouse and equipments. And in safety devices, spillways, surge tank, and trash racks. So the catchment area is nothing but the whole area behind the claim training into a stream as river across which the dam has been built at suitable place is called as the catchment area. And reservoir is nothing but it is stored in the water is stored in a particular area which is further utilized to generate power by running the hydroelectric turbines. And dam is nothing but a dam is barrier which confines or raise water for storage or diversion to create a hydraulic head, and also generally made of concrete and stone masonry and rock fill or timber. So it is made of those things. And the combination of turbine generator, so the turbine and generator is the most important part of the power plant. So the combination is known as the heart of the any power plant. And turbine is a very high fan-like structure having many numbers of blades. It has an ability to rotate on its axis when water passes through it. And generator is a device in which when there is rotation of coil between the strong magnetic field, then it produces an alternating current. So here you can see the diagram of turbine and the generator. So in the turbine you can see the turbine blades, and there is a wicket gates are here. So when the wicket gates are rotates, the turbine blades also rotates, and water is moves towards the generator, and generator shaft is there and moves towards the generator, and there is a rotor and the stator are there, so it converts into three-phase electric generator. So the purpose of draft tube is It allows the turbine to set above tail water level without loss of any head to facilitate inspection and maintenance, and it increases the output power, and major portion of kinetic energy delivers it from the runner, and also it increases the efficiency of the power plant. And yeah, the important one is penstock. So the penstock is connecting pipe between the dam and the turbine house. It helps to increase the kinetic energy of water coming from the dam. And penstock is made up of very strong material, which has the high pressure of water. So it sustains the high pressure of water. So the powerhouse and equipment. Some more components are required for the proper user-friendly and smooth functioning of the power plant. So these components are there. So one is the valve, another one is pump, and another one is spillway. So the valve purpose is the instrument which is used to control the pressure of flow of water, and pump is used to send water or any fluid from lower potential to higher potential, and spillway is nothing but is a kind of canal provided besides the dam. So that is spillway, and it is used to arrange the excess of accumulation of water on the dam, because there will be excess accumulation of water may damage the dam structure. So that's why we are using the spillway. And last one is sludge tank. So sludge tank is used to, there will be a sudden close or decreases in pressure due to the control valve. Then there is a backflow of water. So this creates a high pressure zone in the penstock due to which it may burst. So that's why we are using this sludge tank. This effect is known as the water hammering effect. To avoid this tank, uh, a tank is attached to the penstock which stores water in it. So this tank is called as the surge tank. Coming to the working principle of a hydropower plant. So initially the water is stored in the catchment area. So that is water of the river is in the catchment area, and the catchment area, it is sent to the dam. So water is sent to the dam from the catchment area. At the dam the water gets accumulated, so the potential energy of water increases due to the height of the dam. So at the top of the catchment area, so the water is flows towards the penstock. So that is due to the kinetic energy. So the fourth point is that one. So when the gates of the dam are open, then the water moves with high kinetic energy into the penstock. So through the penstock, water goes to the turbine house. Since the penstock makes water to flow from high altitude to low altitude, thus the kinetic energy of the water is again raised. So here is a diagram which shows a reservoir. So that is from the catchment area. So the water is passed through the tunnel, and there is a surge tank which helps to reduce the pressure, and there is a penstock. So from this, the potential energy to kinetic energy it is converted, and there is a turbine gate, and the electric generator is generates the three-phase electric surface, and there is a hydro turbine. So this is the diagram of hydropower plant. So some of the advantages of hydropower plant are there. So one is no fuel charges, and less supervising staffs is required for constructing, and maintenance and operation charges are very low. So running cost of the plant is also low, and the plant efficiency does not changes with age, and it takes few minutes to run and synchronize the plant. No fuel transport is required for running, and no ash and flue gas is problem, and does not pollute the atmosphere. So these are all the advantage, and another one is used for flood control and irrigation purpose, and long life in comparison with the thermal and nuclear power plant. So these are all the advantages. So the initial cost is very high. So these are all the disadvantages, and another one is long time for construction of the dam. Generally, such plants are located in hilly areas that is far away from a load center, and thus they require long transmission lines, and losses in them with will be more, right? So that's why it is just what disadvantages. And power generation by hydropower plant is only dependent on natural phenomenon of rain. So therefore at the time of drought or summer session the hydropower plant will not work. Yeah, I hope you may understand about what is working principles of hydropower plant and the diagram and the advantage and disadvantage. Thank you.